Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn about management. You've already seen management pop up on the screen, so I'm sure you've guessed today's topic, right? What is management? Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources, including people, finances, and time, to achieve specific goals efficiently and effectively. Too heavy went over your head. All right then, let's simplify it. The best example of management is mom. Yes, your mom. The way she runs the household is actually a brilliant example of management. Let me explain how. Before managing anything, the first step is to set a goal. Let's take something we all love as an example, coffee. Now mom decides to make coffee. Not just any coffee, but the best coffee everyone will love. That's our goal. Now, what departments are needed? Every household has a brother, right? The one who runs to the shop, the market, everywhere. Mom sends him to buy milk, sugar, and coffee. That makes him the procurement manager. Now comes dad, he's the finance officer. He says, here, 200 rupees, that's your budget. Oh, now the pressure's on the procurement department, aka brother. He has to stick to the budget while helping mom achieve her goal. But mom already has a clear plan. No fancy Dalgona. She wants a strong, first-class filter coffee. Brother brings all the ingredients. Now mom takes over. She decides the recipe and prepares the coffee. So she's the designer, the operations head, and even the quality controller. Suddenly she remembers there's one more person, the sister. She's the one who serves the coffee, so she's handling marketing, sales, and logistics. And there you have it, mom's goal is achieved. Perfect coffee made under budget and served with love. That's management. Now, I know you're probably thinking about coffee. But read this again. What is management? Got it now, clear right. And hey, go tell your mom. You're not just the best mom in the world, you're also an amazing manager. And what better day to say this than today? Happy Mother's Day to every mom read. See you in the next video. I'll tell you tomorrow what the next topic is going to be.